Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. I have found what could possibly be one of the best extra large speed squares for marking tile and tile installation. It is clear, this is extra large, and it has all necessary templates for your mechanicals when you cut holes and squares in your tile. Toilet flange, shower drain, shower mixing valve, electrical box, floor vent, shower arm hole, faucet hole, as well as a 22.5 degree for mitering. This square is made by Hunt Tool Company. As per usual, I will leave links in the description with information and pricing on this speed square here. I love supporting small companies who create things like this that make it easier for tile installers and builders. Now guys, actions speak louder than words, so rather than talk about this, let me show you how this can speed up time and help with accuracy when marking tile. After finding center and location, mark for your toilet flange. Marking for your shower drain or your shower mixing valve. Lastly, for your faucets or shower arm. Hole for your toilet flange, your mixing valve, and your shower head, or holes for faucets. Marking for our floor vent, whether it's a 2x10 or 4x10. And for your electrical box. And templates for your floor vents, as well as electrical boxes. Well, there you go, guys. In my opinion, one of the best extra large speed squares for marking tile. This will definitely go in our tool bag. We will get a lot of use out of it. It helps with speeding up time and marking your tile accurately. If you guys want to see future tile tool videos, don't forget to tap the subscribe button down there. If you like the video and you want to help my channel, best way to do that is to tap the like button down there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.